What's up guys, today we have Poco phone F2 Pro charging solution. I have a video before this one when we got to press the charging sub with a plastic piece to support the charging. Now we are going to bring the solutions to replace the flex cable and the subboard between the main board. This is the same device I have worked before. I didn't close it very well. That's why I'm not gonna heat it, because we were waiting for these parts. Alright, you can watch how to open this device in the description. I will put the first video. And now we will proceed to fix the phone. Remove all the screws from the frame. Unplug the battery flex cable. Also, you can unplug the flex cable between the main to the sub. Continue removing the screws from the button to the loudspeaker. Remove both flex cables because we are going to replace the sub. Also, we will unplug the antenna wires. We have white and black because this sub is gonna be replaced. Also, this sub contains the SIM card tray, so you have to remove it first. Be careful with that. So finally we got the two pieces, the flex with the charging sub. Let's put in the position and close the device and solve the problem. Anyway, the sub from the original is different somehow. It doesn't seem that it's a very high material. Anyway, let's put it down, assemble back everything as it was, and solution and the problem gone. Alright, put everything back and let's make a test and then we will end the video. Alright, put the flex on the position. It was hard to push the flex on the sub. I don't know why, but I was able to do that without making any damaging. Maybe because the material is different. This is cheap. I don't know if this is cheap. I didn't order these two, so I don't know. Anyway, we will see the difference when we test. Put the battery on, bring the charger and test. Phone vibrates. Alright, the logo is on. So the problem has been solved. The device wasn't charging before I replaced this. Alright, it's 22 now. Put these antenna in position, close the device and end your problem. Alright, I'm gonna end now. If you have any questions, you can just write it on the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.